Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel Recipe by Arya. Today I am going to sharing with you a folly fish kofta curry. Many of the dishes of our old days are being lost behind modern food. Kofta curry or folly fish is just such a recipe. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos every week. Let's see the ingredients what we'll need. I took one medium-sized folly fish, half a cup of chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of onion paste, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, some salt. For the gravy you need half a cup of coconut paste, 2 to 3 tablespoons of onion paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, half a teaspoon of ginger paste, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/3 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/3 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, some green chilies and fresh cilantro. First of all, you have to clean the fish, so I use a butter knife to scrape off the scalls. Clean it very carefully, and we are going to use that skin for the kofta. Now cut the fish head and going to throw it away because we don't need the head for the kofta curry, and clean inside of the fish with a warm water. Now cut the fin a little deeply like this. I put the fish into a Ziploc bag to avoid the mess. Now with a heavy object, heat the fish to separate the meat from the skin. You can use the hammer. I use a butter knife to remove the fish from the skin and make sure there is no bones. This folly fish kofta curry take a little longer time to make, but it's more tastier than any other kofta curry. Discard the bones from the skin like this. Now keep the skin aside. Let's make the kofta. Now with the boneless fish, I am going to add half a cup of chopped onion. You can use less if you want to, but I am going to use all. 2 to 3 tablespoons of onion paste, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, salt to taste. Mix everything together, and I also have some chopped green chilies and fresh coriander leaves. I forgot to record it. Now fill the fishy skin with the mixture. Put it on one side of the skin. Cover it with half of the skin and try to make it smooth. Now fry it until it turns golden brown. When the fish kofta turns golden brown, transfer to a tissue paper and let it cool. Now cut the kofta into pieces. Like this and keep aside. Let's make the kofta curry. In a hot oil, add some whole spices. Now add the onion paste and fry until raw smell gone. Add half a cup of coconut paste and saute for 2 minutes. Add ginger and garlic paste. Saute for a minute. Add the powder masala and some salt. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add little bit of water. Cover for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove the lid and add the fish koftas to the gravy. Mix the koftas with the masala. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Add water as needed. Now add some green chilies, some fresh cilantro, and cover for another 2 minutes and let it simmer. My fish kofta curry is ready to serve. You can serve it with plain rice or pulao. Hope you guys enjoyed my recipe. If you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends and families. Also comment below and check out my other recipes too. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do now and press the bell icon to get notification for new uploads every week. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Allah Hafiz.